Bye.
Hey guys, it is your girl Jordan back with another hair tutorial video for you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, join the Jae Squad for more tutorials, more vlogs, more everything, you know. Just join the squad and be along for the ride. All right, so today, of course, I am doing the tutorial on how I achieve these beautiful crochet passion twists. Now, this video is sponsored by Karida Store on Amazon. Thank you so much, Karida Store, for partnering with me on doing this tutorial today. And the hair that I'm wearing today is on their Amazon store, so I will leave a link down in the description bar if you are interested in purchasing this pack of passion twists. So this is a 24 inches 6-pack passion twist, and this is pre-looped hair. So this is their 24 inches pre-looped passion twist. I think it's in a 1B/30, and yeah, it is pre-looped, which is great. You know, it's more convenient, it's easier to do when it's pre-looped, and as I mentioned, it is 24 inches and you do get 6 packs of hair in this pack. Okay, all right, so I mean, that's basically it. I just want to jump into this tutorial today, so let's go. Alright, so I'm starting off this tutorial by laying down my edges using my Eco Gel. Guys, I really wish I had used my Got To Be styling gel instead, because this Eco Gel did not hold down my edges, and by the time I get to the end of this tutorial, my edges will be gone. Like, they will not have been laid or appear to have been laid, and I was really bummed out by that. But hey, you can just use whatever hair wax or edge control that you prefer to do this part of the tutorial. Okay, so this is the braiding hair. I am just showing you guys quickly on screen that I did in fact got 6 packs, but I am not sure how many braids are in each pack. So, but what I can tell you is that I used the entire 6 packs to do this tutorial, and it also came with a crochet needle, which was a bonus. So I went ahead and I did the first 2 rows just to warm myself up into doing this tutorial, and then I'm gonna go in with a more detailed shot of how to crochet like a pro. All right, so what I would suggest is whenever you place your braiding hair in your loop and you close the needle, use your finger as a guide to pull through the hair, because as you can see here, I definitely got my hair stuck, and it was not a pretty feeling. You know, it hurt, and I had to, you know, wiggle around and maneuver the crochet needle to get it out. So guys, just be mindful of that whenever you are doing crochet hairstyle, that the needle might stuck in your hair. All right, so after I did all of that, I went in once more. So right now you're gonna see me go in with the crochet needle. I put that underneath the rubber band. I then put the loop of the hair into the loop of the crochet needle, close the needle, pulled it through, opened up the loop of the braiding hair, and just like you're stringing a needle, I put the hair through the loop and I tightened it to secure that hair in place. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward to do. This is just me going over the same thing once more, putting it under my rubber band, pulling it through, and it's like stringing a needle. It's as simple as that. If you've ever strung a needle before, you would know what I'm talking about. All right, so I just quickly went ahead and did the entire front section of my hair off camera because this section is pretty straightforward. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair up in a bun, and then we can get into the meat of the matter. Yes, we're gonna get into the back section of the hair and how I was able to achieve fullness in the back. Alright, let's get started. So I took my crochet needle and I put it through my hair with the latch open. I find that when I close the latch, it is much harder. So just like how I explained at the beginning, you put it through your hair, but I would recommend keeping the latch open when it's going through. Then you put the loop of the braiding hair in the loop of the crochet needle. You close the latch, put your hand as a guide, or use your hand as a guide to guide through that crochet needle, keeping it closed and to avoid any itching, and then you pull the hair through the needle exactly like stringing a needle. All right, so how was I able to achieve fullness in the back? I placed almost an entire pack on each braid. All right, and then when I went in with the entire pack, given that I received 6 packs, I then divided the hairs in the remaining 2 packs into equal amount. So for example, if I got if I had 8 braids out of the 6 packs, this is just an example, I would split that 8 braids into 2, allotting 2 braids per braiding hair per braid. All right, I hope that makes sense. So let me just repeat. How I was able to achieve fullness was by using 1 pack in each row. Then I went in with the remaining 2 packs and I divided the hairs that were in both packs amongst the 4 braids in the back. And you want to pay keen attention to that division there at the top of your braids, where your rubber band method meets your braiding hair, your cornrows. You want to pay attention to ensure that you have fullness in that section. So as you can see here, I went in with a lot of braids here, and as you will see in the end, the back is full. There is no spacing. You definitely cannot see my tracks, and that is something that I absolutely appreciated about how I went about doing this hairstyle. Finished everything. I put in all the braids. There are no braids remaining, and I'm just gonna do a twist so you can see what the front and the back looks like. All right, so in the front, as you can see, this is a very versatile style. You can put all your braids to one side, and you know, thinking about it, I'm going to actually do a how to style passion braids video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So you can have fun with it, you know. You can do a half up in the front, in the back. So let's do that. I'm gonna do a half up in the front. There we go. Let's do a twirl. Alright, so this is the back. If I move the braids from the front, you can see what the back looks like. Now, one thing with doing the crochet method is that you have to be aware that you may have some space. I'm not sure how this looks like from the back, but this is with the braids over everything. It's very full. Let me stand up. It's very full. As I said, it's 24 inches long, and it's very full. yeah, that is it for this video. I love how it turned out. It looks good, cute, you know, whatever. The only thing I would say about these is that I wish they were in black. Black is my color. If you know me, I'm a black girl when it comes down to clothes and hair. I prefer black, but I'm not gonna lie, these do compliment me and I really think they are cute. So stay tuned for my styling video, and thank you so much for being here with me today while I did this tutorial for you. And if you have not subscribed, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check out my playlist, guys. Follow along the journey and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, especially if you watched my previous video, which was how I did my pattern, and then you're back for part 2, which is how I completed the hairstyle. Let me know down in the comment section, because you are definitely a trooper and you're part of the Jae Squad. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. Bye.